Okay, you guys, this is the front of my house. This is my yard. You see how high that grass is? You guys see how high this grass is? Okay, this is Memorial Day weekend. Look how high the grass is in my driveway. You guys, I live on a farm. Look how high my grass is in my backyard. You guys see that? You see how high that grass is? Look at that. See how high that grass is? Now this high grass goes all the way back around the side of my house too. Now, what I'm gonna do is cut all this grass. I'm gonna start with the front first with a regular lawnmower here on this Memorial Day holiday. Now, I live in the country. I'm gonna cut all this with a regular lawnmower. Okay? So all you folks is living in the suburbs, in the city, do not tell me you cannot cut your high grass with your lawnmower. Yes, you can.